This is a technique for sacroiliac joint pain. We have applied a 10cm patch across the lumbosacral junction with mild stretch. We will then take our smaller eyepieces and apply the anchors over the bottom of the tape toward the PSIS. Then we'll take the tape with mild stretch towards the iliac crest, and then repeat on the opposite side. The second anchor is applied like so over the PSIS with no tension. Remove the backing tape like so and apply over toward the iliac crest with mild tension, ensuring the anchor is placed down with no tension. Give the tape a good rub to help activate the glue for a good adhesion.